Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and I wanted to make a quick video with another travel hack for cars. So when I go to conferences or when we're traveling to different conferences, like all of us, a lot of times we'll just rent a car, at the airport or whatever. But I wanted to share an alternative. So this is Turo. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about it, and I wanted to make a quick video just sharing my experiences and one little hack which is really helpful. So Turo, I really love Turo because they make the process super simple. So when you book a car, when you're going to a conference or whatever, um, a lot of times you have to wait in line at the rental counters, and then the cars that you get at the airport usually lack a ton of personality and they're very boring. So I like interesting cars and I've always been into cars. So Turo is really cool because it allows you for just almost the same price with insurance, and you know and you're supporting local entrepreneurs, which is always a plus. So, for example, I like Porsches, and let's just say I am going to, let's see where I'm going. Let's just say I'm going somewhere and I want to rent a nice car. I always use Turo. Like I've been using it for a year and a half or two now. And actually, the hack that I was going to mention is the more that you consistently use Turo, just like a lot of the other rental car companies, sometimes they'll have like elite status or things like that. Turo gives you coupons. So I've actually rented a car once and gotten like a free extra day or two with the car just because I use the app so often. So yeah, you can rent really interesting cars like Porsche 911s, or even if you don't need anything like that, they have a ton of other great cars, and it's always nice because you're paying the same amount usually, or if not less. You honestly, like if you're flexible with the type of car that you want and you just want transportation, you usually save a ton going through Turo. But so yeah, this is a great little option. You get bonuses the more you use it, and it's auto check-in, so you don't have to wait in a line somewhere. The host usually sends the access code or whatever straight to your phone, so you just get off the plane or whatever and you just go pick up your car, and it's quick, it's seamless, and it's instantly available too. So if you just need a car last minute, usually within an hour or two they'll have instant booking available cars. So it's just a really simple hack that has helped out a ton, and you get to drive really cool cars. And maybe if you always wanted to own a car, but it's just not the most practical for you, you can rent that car out when you go on trips, and it'll satisfy that need, and it'll usually probably be the same cost. So I really like it. They have additional insurance options if that's like a concern. Um, but honestly, I usually just don't buy insurance because your driver, I mean, this is like legal stuff, but usually your insurance policy will cover a rental car. So yeah, I would double check on that. But yeah, I love Turo. I use it all the time. Never had any problems.